Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Temu text and notification. To turn off Temu text and notification, you need to first open your Temu application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your Temu's account. Now here you'll be taken to home. Now tap on U option present on the bottom. After this, tap on the setting icon present on the top right. With this, now here you'll be able to see notifications option. Tap on notifications. On the down, you can see different type of notifications that you receive on Temu. Now if you want to turn off notifications and text regarding promotion, then tap on edit option present on the down of promotions. Now here you can see push frequency. Now scroll the toggle from normal to none. Similarly, here you'll be able to see email frequency as well. You can scroll the toggle from normal to none. After this, you can go back to notifications. Then you can select a specific type of notification that you want to turn off. Here I'm going on with chat messages. So tap on edit option present on the down. After this, here you'll be able to see push option. Tap on the toggle next to push. Similarly, you will be able to see toggle next to SMS. You can tap on the toggle next to SMS. Similarly, you can tap on the toggle next to email as well. With this, now you will be able to turn off the notifications from your chat messages. With this, you can select different kind of notification that you get on Temu and then turn off the feature of notification and text. This is how we can turn off Temu text and notification. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.